Now I am explaining the second colligative property, which is elevation in boiling point. Boiling point is a temperature at which the vapor pressure of a solution becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. The temperature at which the vapor pressure of a solution becomes equal to atmospheric pressure, that is called its boiling point. A solution containing non-volatile solute, its vapor pressure is always less than the vapor pressure of pure solvent. Therefore, the solution has to be heated to the higher temperature to boil it. Now, the boiling point of a solution containing non-volatile solute is always higher than the boiling point of pure solvent. And the difference between the boiling point of the solution and boiling point of pure solvent, that is called elevation in boiling point. Graphically, this can be represented by plotting vapor pressure against the temperature. This curve represents the vapor pressure curve of pure solvent. When the vapor pressure of pure solvent becomes equal to atmospheric pressure, so its corresponding temperature is called its boiling point. And the vapor pressure curve of a solution containing non-volatile solute is always less than vapor pressure of pure solvent. When its vapor pressure becomes equal to atmospheric pressure, so it will start boiling and its corresponding temperature is Ts. The difference between these two temperatures is called elevation in boiling point. This elevation in boiling point is a colligative property, and this can be utilized for the calculation of the molecular weight of non-volatile solute. In the next part, I will explain that how this property is utilized to calculate the molecular weight of non-volatile solute.